Yeah, check it out. It's me decent right here. Look, this is when I do my beats. Fruity Loops Studio, FL Studio, decent right there. No, and well, check it out. It looks probably a little weird, but it's cool. Alright, so right here, the third bar. See, there's 1, 2, 3 in the third bar. I'll go to check this piano right here, and this is what I got in here. It's called the Plug Smooth. That's the instrument. I'm pretty sure you guys could hear that. Yeah. So that's pretty much the first. So that's what I do. That's what I use right there, and then I go all the way down here to 8. I got some snares right there. I go to the piano. I'll go up here, switch. You see the little check mark? There you go. There it is. See? Just click on different ones. But that's pretty much it. What I got right there. I go down to 10. And you can put them on any one you want, but you know, the ones between, because either I didn't like the melody I did right there, or I just skipped them because of something else, you know. But it don't matter how you do it. You do it any different way. There's like 2 ways you could do, I think, music right here, but this is one of my ways. This is the way I do it, and I feel more comfortable with. You saw the kicks. I did everything the same way. See, and I clicked another piece of the little key. It sound different, but these are the ones I put. So, bam, like, boom, boom. See, so that's pretty much it. You know, like, you just gotta learn how to do it. See what I got right here on 11. Oh, this is just the extra snares. There you go. That's what I'm talking about right there. The hat. See? See, that's pretty much it. So if I click another one, I could just add more shit to it, you know. But I gotta put it, you know, that's the little green dot. Take it off. Nothing gonna be right there. So go to 13, bar 13. See what I got right there? It's a CR8K cowbell. I don't know, but it sounds good. You know, I just hooked it up right there. Just add some shit to the beat, you know. Anything you could add to, anything that hits your head, creativity, whatever, you know, just drop it right there. You know, it's cool. Shit. There ain't really no mistakes on doing music, because basically it's you being creative. You know, you're doing what comes to your head. But not only because you just created it doesn't mean it's gonna be good, you know. So you gotta try to put it sort of like in place, on beat. So pretty much so you could get the rhythm of the music, you know. But pretty much it's just up to you, you know, whatever you wanna do, you know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I ain't no professional, you know. But you know, I just love doing what I was doing. That's pretty much it for me. So this is the bass that I use. So yeah, click on different ones, sounds different. See? So it's the hip bass, man. That's what I'm talking about. Whenever you use Fruity Loop, you're trying to use a bass, use hip bass. You go to hip hop, you go right here. Like, well, let me show you guys right here. This is like the browser. These are all my different cuts, you know. But you go browser and then you go to hip hop right here. You know, you look for it. You go to packs. It's gonna take you to different little sets of instruments. Click hip hop. You go all the way to the top one. You right click it, open. Either if it don't pop out right here, you just go back to your piano. Oh shit, I was on there already, my bad. To piano, and there you go. Look, hip hop bass too. It's already right there automatically. Alright, let me go back to my hip hop bass. There you go. But you know, that's pretty much it, you know. And well, I showed you guys all the instruments that I used, and now it's time to, you know, bump the real shit, the real sound. Let me just adjust the volume right quick. You guys can get a clear, see, clear listen. Watch, check it out. talking about. Fruity Loop, baby. Yup. Yup. That's pretty much it right there. Hell yeah. Loving that shit.